I'm Mark.
I'm Phil.
And I'm Paul.
And we're the Pitfire Boys. And when we're not at Bunnings, we're in a hazel blue smoke cooking up a storm.
And we're going to show you everything you need to start smoking.
Hi, I'm Mark. I'm going to show you how to smoke a beef brisket. What you're going to need to do that is a beautiful slab of beef brisket, your favourite spice mix, and now I'll show you how to trim it up. You got to look for the hard, sinewy fat and trim it all off because it won't render down in the cooking process. Good quality briskets will have a marbling effect through the meat. You want that sort of fat in there because when that renders out, it'll create flavour in your meat. When rubbing your spice mix in, show it a little bit of love. It will really add to the flavour profiles at the end of the cook. Set your smoker temperature to 115 degrees Celsius and then put it on the open racks for about 3 hours to get that perfect smoke ring. Put the brisket in a boat. If you don't have a foil tray, you can makeshift one out of aluminium foil to catch any rendering fats and return your moisture to your brisket. It's going to be boated for around about 6 to 8 hours, and you'll need to check it every hour. When it's close to time and you want to know if it's ready or not, grab a probe, check your internal temperature. If that's 90 degrees Celsius, you're good to go. So when you cut into your brisket, what you're looking for is this beautiful mahogany pink colour, which we call a smoke ring. It's an indication that the smoke has penetrated and infused into the meat. Not only does it look good, but it's going to taste great as well. It's been a long cook, but well worth the wait.